Hey everybody, this is Ronald Stanley with CIT 336, and I'm going to go ahead and step through these SQL statements in PHP MyAdmin here. So I got them in my notepad here, and we're just going to go ahead and do number one, insert the following new clients to the client table. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these here. Okay, and I'm going to show you that this works. So we're going to go ahead and add this here. We're going to go ahead and look in the clients table, and there we go. Got that all there. Alrighty, so let's go to number two. So number two, we're going to modify Tony Stark record to change the client level to level 3. So right now you can see that client level is number 1. What we're going to go ahead and do is throw in a update statement here. I'm going to go ahead and do update client, set client level equal 3. Go. Okay, so we can go and look, client level 3. All right, so the next step, we're going to modify the nylon rope record to read climbing rope using a single query. I wasn't fully able to figure out the replace stuff, but I did as much as I could, so this is what I was able to do. So I was able to go ahead and do update inventory, set inventory name to climbing rope where inventory ID is 15. Okay, so now we look at the inventory and we now have climbing rope here instead of nylon rope. Alrighty. Next we're going to number 4. So number 4 was pretty hard, but I was actually able to figure it out. We were able to use an inner join to select the inventory name field from the inventory table and the category name field from the categories table from inventory items that belong to the miscellaneous category. This should give us 7. So I'll show you how this works here. So you can select category name, inventory name from categories, inner join inventory on categories.category ID equals inventory.category ID. So they both share a category ID, so that's how it works with join, where category.category ID equals 3. So at the category ID of 3, that's where it's miscellaneous. We go ahead and run this, and there we go. Gives us those 7 right there. Okay, and let's go into our last one where we're just going to delete. It's going to have us delete the coinsig CCX car from the database. So we're just going to delete from inventory where inventory name equals CCX car. And one row affected, we go into inventory, and it was right here, now it's gone. So we no longer have that car right here. Okay. So the next part was to build a database connection file. So I'm going to show you guys right here how I did that. So right here you can see this is my connections.php file. I have my functions ACME connect. Sorry, let me put that back in. So my ACME username and password that I have set up under my users in my PHP MyAdmin. All this information. So I spent a ton of time on this, probably over an hour and a half, and I could not figure out how to get this to come up, trying a million things. For some reason, no matter what I did, I kept breaking it, changing all this stuff. It would never come up here. It's always just working and having that blank page like you talked about. So when I go to that localhost library, ACME library connections, so it works, just nothing happens. And when I go ahead and do any number of things, try to billion things, save it, it's not working. It's not sending me to my page that I do have done. So I can show you guys the view 500.php server. Sorry, the server experienced a problem. It will not send me to this page. I have this view 500.php. I've tried doing all this different file stuff. I did have the location thing in here. um, and for some reason nothing was working. I was just trying something else there. So I can show you right here. Oh, let's see. Sorry, 1 second. Yep. So no matter what I try with this, just nothing's working. Even when I break it, it's just going into the blank page like it's working. So, like I said, probably stared at this for about 2 hours. Have no idea how to fix it. Literally tried everything. So, I should have 95% of this all done and working good though. And hopefully, I'll be able to figure this out shortly. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.